The warning labels found on certain light fixtures indicate they are intended for use in non-dwelling locations. Examples of these locations include detached garages, carports, barns, warehouses, and industrial facilities. These locations typically have different environmental conditions than dwelling units, often characterized by higher ambient temperatures. These locations also may be more prone to electrical hazards due to the potential presence of flammable materials. The requirement for 110 degrees Celsius supply conductors is directly related to the temperature rating of the light fixture itself. If a fixture is designed to safely withstand temperatures up to 110 degrees Celsius, then the electrical conductors supplying power to that fixture must also be rated for 110 degrees Celsius or higher. This is of paramount importance to prevent overheating of the wiring, insulation breakdown, and ultimately potential fire hazards. These fixtures are not listed for use in dwelling units because they do not meet specific safety requirements established for residential applications. These requirements are designed to protect occupants from electrical shock and fire hazards. One of the restrictions for dwelling units is the need for enclosed fixtures. Dwelling units typically require enclosed fixtures to prevent direct contact with flammable materials like insulation, curtains, or other household items. The fixtures intended for non-dwelling locations may not have enclosed bases, creating a potential fire hazard if they come into contact with such materials. Another important factor is creeping temperature. The temperature of a light fixture must not exceed 60 degrees Celsius, which is 140 degrees Fahrenheit, under normal operating conditions within a dwelling. Light fixtures intended for non-dwelling applications may exceed this temperature, especially if installed in non-ventilated spaces within a dwelling. Exceeding this temperature could create a fire hazard. In locations where these fixtures are intended to be used, such as detached garages, it is crucial to adhere to proper installation and wiring practices to ensure safety. Firstly, always use electrical conductors that are rated for 110 degrees Celsius or higher. Examples of suitable conductors include THHN, which stands for thermoplastic high heat resistant nylon coated, and XHHW, which stands for cross-linked polyethylene high heat resistant water resistant. Secondly, ensure that the fixtures are installed in a well-ventilated area. This helps to dissipate heat and prevent the fixture from overheating. Thirdly, maintain a safe distance between the fixtures and any flammable materials. This reduces the risk of fire ignition. Lastly, consider using a ground fault circuit interrupter, abbreviated GFCI, to provide additional protection against electrical shock. A GFCI is a device that monitors the current flowing through a circuit. If it detects an imbalance, indicating a potential ground fault, it quickly shuts off the power to prevent electrical shock. In summary, light fixtures are designed for use in non-dwelling locations and require 110 degrees Celsius supply conductors. They are not suitable for use in dwelling units due to several safety concerns related to enclosed fixtures and creeping temperature. By following proper installation and wiring practices in non-dwelling locations, it is possible to ensure the safe and reliable operation of these fixtures. When selecting and installing light fixtures, always prioritize safety and compliance with electrical codes and regulations.